We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The beautiful agricultural area of Neipu in central Pingdong is testament to the hard-working character of the Hakka, who transformed the region's arid land into green and fertile paddy fields. Other crops include wax apples, bananas, and betel nuts. Neipu epitomizes the simple Hakka lifestyle with traditional farm implements, bamboo baskets, and household utensils evident in most yards. Part of the Liudui area, the region was originally inhabited by the indigenous Pingpu people and is now a harmonious blend of Hakka, Mingnan, and other ethnic groups. As the religious and cultural center of the early Hakka, Neipu has the only Mazu temple in Liudui. This listed building was the first temple built by the Hakka in 1803. Next door is the Changli Temple, Taiwan's only temple dedicated to the Tang scholar Han Yu. Known for its unique wood and stone carving, this small understated temple served as an important place of learning for the Hakka people and is still popular as a place of worship, especially at exam time. Hello everyone, welcome to our Hakka lesson on the air. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Alice 啊，最近啊，这个非常热门的话题啊，就是美国大选，礼拜二才刚刚大选。So there's a lot of people talking about the U.S. elections over the last few weeks, and of course still ongoing for these next few days here. I thought that maybe we should teach our people here on the air, how to say 当选啦、落选啦，甚至上次有讲过这个阿扁总统嘛，总统。就这样子
总统
哦，总统，没背好，我对不起你。还有副总统怎么讲？
副总统，
副总统，我们再讲一次，
总统
哦，要刺身的那种感觉。总统 ，that is the president and the vice president， 副总统，
副总统，
副总统，OK。那如果当选的话呢？
当选，
当选，哦，其实跟国语也其实有一点像啦，当选嘛，
错。
对不对？
当选
，OK 那很不幸的话，如果落选了的话，
落选
OK so 当选means elected, 落选 means lost the election.
Yes.
Oh, okay, so that's pretty practical. Hopefully, people who are talking in the next few days, if you want to use a little Hakka, you can practice it right here because you listen to ICRT. Thank you very much. My name is Joseph Lin.
什麼大家張來了？
張來了，俺子噻。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.